14, the Temperance card. This card represents neutrality. It represents the conscious and unconscious mind. It represents the ebb and flow of things, the creation of your desires, your manifestations, and being patient while you do so. We're going to get into some colors and some symbolism to help you relate to the card more fluidly. You have the gray background. This is representative of the neutral energies. You have an angel who is passing water, which seems to be in an impossible way. This is the alchemy, the creation of your manifestations being developed. And then you have the sun in the background. We know this from prior cards that this is clarity, happiness, optimism. The grass represents the 3D material world, where the water represents the 5D, the unconscious, the ethers, what have you. This is about channeling divine energies. This is the impossible becoming possible for yourself. This can be seen overall as patience is going to be needed. Patience is going to be needed while the universe is working behind the scenes to develop your manifestations for you. Your perfect, harmonious life is literally right there. It just requires a little bit of patience. Now, if you've enjoyed this lesson on the Temperance card, go ahead and join me here for the Devil.